Hello everyone, welcome to Students Point. This is 1st of December and we are going to see all of the important questions for the day. So pay your attention till the end. And to get PDF of all these videos, you can join us on Telegram by writing the channel's name, Students Point. You can also follow us on Instagram by writing the username, The Students Point. And if you are finding this video useful, then don't forget to like the video and do share the video with your friends and loved ones. Also don't forget to press the subscribe button and the bell icon to receive the notification at the earliest so that you never miss any opportunity to learn and grow every day. Now here's a question for the day and everyone are expected to answer this question in the comment section. The question is, Information Management and Analysis Center is located in. So these are the options. Read the options very carefully and then answer it. Let's begin now. The first question. The Hayabusa 2 spacecraft recently in news belongs to. So it belongs to Japan. So here B is the right answer. It has returned or it is returning towards Earth from asteroid Ryugu. It has taken sample from asteroid Ryugu and it was launched in 2014. Next question now. This year marks the which birth anniversary of Guru Nanak Dev? So it was 551st birth anniversary of Guru Nanak Dev. So here C is the right answer. Guru Nanak Dev was the founder of Sikhism and this year marks the 551st birth anniversary. He was born in 1469, died in 1539. He is also referred to as Baba Nanak and he was founder of Sikhism and is first of the 10 Sikh Gurus. His birth is celebrated worldwide as Guru Nanak Guru Purab on Kartik Purnima, which is called as full moon of the Kartik. He preached the message of Ik Onkar, which means one God who dwells in every one of his creations. So no one should be discriminated based on race, caste, sex, religion or any place of birth. Next question now. Brahmaputra river originates from. So this river originates from Chemyangdung Glacier. This is very important. Many examinations has already asked these questions. Chemyangdung Glacier. From its origin point, Brahmaputra is called as Siang or Dihang. It originates from Chemyangdung Glacier of Kailash Range near Mansarovar Lake. It enters India west of Sadia town in Arunachal Pradesh. Its tributaries include Dibang, Lohit, Siang, Burhi, Dihing, Tista and Dhansari. And why it was in news? Because recently Chinese authorities have allowed Chinese hydropower company to construct the first downstream hydropower project on the lower reaches of the river Brahmaputra, which is known as Yarlung Zangbo in Tibet. This state-owned hydropower company called as Power China signed a strategic cooperation agreement with the Tibet Autonomous Region government to implement hydropower exploitation in the downstream of the Yarlung Zangbo river as part of the new 5-year plan from 2021 to 2025. So India remains apprehensive that it will affect the quality of water in Indian part of this stream of river. Next question now. Consider the following statements about type 2 diabetes. Let's see. Type 2 diabetes is also known as juvenile diabetes. No, this is wrong. Actually it is type 1 diabetes, which is called as juvenile diabetes. It mostly affects children of age 14 to 16 years. Again, this statement is correct, but it is correct for type 1 diabetes, not for type 2 diabetes. And that is the reason why it is called as juvenile diabetes, because it affects mostly the children aging between 14 to 16 years. So yeah, this was also wrong. This is also wrong. And this type occurs when the body fails to produce sufficient insulin. Again, this is wrong because actually this statement is for type 1 diabetes. In type 1 diabetes, the human body fails to produce sufficient insulin required for the body. So here all of these options are incorrect for type 2 diabetes. So here D is the right answer. Actually it is type 1 diabetes, which is known as juvenile diabetes, and it mostly affects children aged between 14 to 16, and it is a condition when body fails to produce sufficient insulin. While type 2 diabetes it affects the way the body uses insulin. In type 2 diabetes, body still makes insulin. This point is very important, that in type 2 diabetes, body still makes insulin, but the cells in the body do not respond to as effectively as they did once. The population with 45 years or above are mostly prone to type 2 diabetes. It leads to obesity. Remember, type 2 diabetes in which body still makes insulin. Why it was in news? Recently, a research has been published in Diabetologia Journal of European Association for the Study of Diabetes. This research has highlighted vulnerability of Indian youth towards diabetes. The research, titled as Lifetime Risk of Diabetes in Metropolitan Cities in India. It was done by a team of authors in India, UK, US, and it was led by Sami Luhar, Department of Public Health and Primary Care and University of Cambridge of UK. What it found? The research found that more than half of men, that is almost 55%, and 2/3 of female, that is 65%, aged 20 years in India are more likely to develop diabetes, with most of those cases, around 95% of those cases, are likely to be type 2 diabetes, in which the body produces insulin but are unable to utilize it. Next question now. Hualong 1, a nuclear reactor in use, has been developed by? So it has been developed by China. So here C is the right answer. Why it was in news? Because China has recently connected this nuclear reactor to its national grid, and it is China's first indigenously developed third generation nuclear power reactor. Next question now, important question. Consider the following statements about Marcos. The Marine Commandos, abbreviated to Marcos and officially called as Marine Commando Force, is a special force unit of the Indian Navy. This is correct. And Marcos was founded in February 1987. This is also correct. So here both of these options are correct. So C is the right answer. And Marcos are capable of operating in all types of environments, including at seas, in air, and on land. Why it was in news? Because it has recently been deployed near Pangong So Lake in Ladakh. Next question now. Kavan, recently in news, is a or an? So Kavan is an elephant. So here B is the right answer. Kavan is dubbed as the world's loneliest elephant after languishing alone for years in Pakistani zoo. The plight of this male Asian elephant, who has been alone since the death of his partner Saheli in 2012, has captured their worldwide attention. The loss of his mate Saheli in 2012 took a toll on Kavan's mental health. Actually, elephants are used to live in community. They have huge sense of community. So whenever either of the member of his community, especially if the partner dies, then it affects their mental health. And if you have found the video useful till now, do like the video and do share the video with your friends and loved ones. Now let's see some more points in news. Minister of Railways have inaugurated the newly electrified Digwara-Bandikyu section of North-Western Railway and flagged off the first train on this electrified route from Digwara station in Alwar district of Rajasthan. Next point now. An asteroid named as 153201 2000 WO107, that is more than 800 meter high and over 500 meter wide, which is bigger than the Burj Khalifa, has flew past Earth on November 29th. Next point now. Government of India has announced the third stimulus package of rupees 900 crore for the mission COVID Suraksha. The Indian COVID-19 vaccine development mission. This mission is called as the Indian COVID-19 vaccine development mission. This amount will be given to Department of Biotechnology for research and development of Indian COVID-19 vaccines. So I hope you find the video useful. Do like and do share the video. Subscribe and press the bell icon. We will meet again in the next video. Until then, stay safe and thanks for watching.